right, this is our second grade math, lesson 9-4. We're going to read and write three-digit numbers. What is another way to write 231? So one way is 231, and another way we could write it is actually writing out the words. 231, or you could also do expanded form. So 231 is really 200 plus 30 plus 1. So this is standard form, the standard normal way that we write it. This is word form, and this is called expanded form. We take it and we expand it out to know exactly which each of our place values is equal to. All right, let's go ahead and go on to the back here. All right, what number is shown by the models? So let's take a look. 100, 200, 300, plus 10, 20, 300, plus 20, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 300 plus 20 plus 8. That's our expanded form. Write the number in standard form. That's our normal numerals that we write. And then write it in word form. 328 using the actual words. All right, how many hundreds, tens, and ones does the number 640 have? So I'm going to do this in expanded form. It is 600 plus 40 plus how many ones do I have? Plus 0 ones. All right, let's take a look at our guided practice. Write the number in expanded form, then write it in standard form. Remember, standards are normal numbers. Expanded is when we expand. Maybe we make it bigger. We kind of break it apart. So let's see. 100, 200, 300. 300 plus 10, 20. Plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 5 ones is really the same as 325. All right, let's do the same thing, but this time it says write the word form. So we're going to write expanded and then word form. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So we have 500 plus how many tens? 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So let's see, that number is really 514. So we would write 500 14. Okay, 514. I missed the U in there. I'm so sorry. 14. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and go to our independent practice page here. Okay, let me get this all taped up for us. So this one says we're going to be writing the number in word form and standard form. Okay, so the long line here, we're going to actually write out the words, and on the short line, we're going to actually write out the numbers. Okay, we're going to use our quick word to find out how to spell hundreds, tens, ones, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, that whole thing. So we'll use that. I'll help you with the page number as we get there. All right, so let's take a look at this 382. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 82, or 382. Okay, let's look at our next one here. 200 plus 6, that's 206. So 206, or 200, how many tens do we have? 0 tens and 6 ones. So we want to make sure that doesn't look like 26. We want to make sure it's definitely 206. Okay, let's look at number 5. So we have 600 plus 90 plus 5. So we know that 695 or 695. All right, our next one is 500 plus 30 plus 3. So we're going to write 530 3. So 533. Whew, that was a lot of writing. Great job, everybody. Let's take a look at number 7 now. It says, write 874. So 874 in expanded form and standard form. So remember, expanded form is 800 plus 70 plus 4. And our standard form is just the number 874. We're going to do the same thing over here. Expanded form and word form for 478. So expanded form is going to be 400 plus what? 70 plus what? 8. And then the word form is going to be 478. All right, our higher order thinking. Write the number in 2 different ways. So let's take a look at this. It has 5 hundreds. I'm going to do a little place value chart here. Ones, tens, hundreds. Has 5 hundreds. The tens digit is 1 less than the hundreds digit. So 5 minus 1 would be 4. The ones digit is 2 more than the hundreds digit. So 2 more than 5 would be 7. So our standard form is 547. Our expanded form is 500 plus 40 plus 7. Phew! All right, let's go ahead and go on to our back page. Oops, my tape came off. Let's see if I can get this off my paint. All right. Go right here. All right. Use place value models to help you solve the problems below. So here's our vocabulary. There are 493 pages in a book. We need to write that in expanded form. So 400 plus 90 plus 3. Now we're going to write it in word form. 493. All right, higher order thinking. Draw hundreds, tens, and ones to show a 3-digit number. Then write the number in expanded form. Then use the word form of the number in a sentence. All right, so the first thing we need to do is we're going to draw a 3-digit number. So you can draw any 3-digit number you want to. I'm going to say 342. Then write the number in expanded form. So I'm going to say 300 plus 40 plus 2. And then it says use the word form of the number in a sentence. I can say, I see 342 seashells. Wow, that is a lot of seashells. All right, let's look at our number 12 assessment. The model shows a 3-digit number. What is the standard form of the number? The standard form. Think back to what that is. We learned about word form, expanded form. So we need to figure out what it is first. So pause the video. Let's go through and solve it and then come back and take a look. All right, let's see what we have here. 100, 200, 300. And we're doing just the standard form. So that means the regular number. So we're not going to do expanded form. So it'll either be B or D. Let's see how many tens we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 in our tens place. That has a 9. And let's check our ones just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. B is 386. Great job, everybody.